kung halimbawa na encounter nyo to guys, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. Gagawin lang natin guys, gagamit tayo ng Epson Resetter para ma-reset yung ink pad ng ating Epson printer. So i-download nyo lang application nito. Once na-download nyo na tong Epson Resetter, open lang natin siya. Then i-click lang natin tong select. Dito guys, kung di yung kabisado yung port, so ilagay lang natin dito auto selection. Then okay. Then i-select natin to guys, yung particular adjustment mode. Hanapin natin yung waste ink pad counter. Then i-check natin tong main pad counter. Then check. I-check natin ulit to yung main pad counter. Then initialize. So okay lang natin guys. And so please turn off the printer. And okay. And so in-open natin ulit yung ating printer. Ayun guys, so wala na yung orange na nagbi-blink. Ayun siya guys, so nakapag-print na tayo dito sa ating Epson.